Hey everyone, Vinayak here. I had reviewed the Echo Show 5 earlier and I like the smart display which is handy to watch videos, listen to music, play games and of course control my smart devices. I did want something bigger and the Echo Show 8 looked like a good replacement. This is the Echo Show 8 Gen 1, but there is a Gen 2 available, so why did I pick this one up then? Watch on to find out why. Amazon has been on a release frenzy and they've been churning out newer models of the Echo devices such as the Echo Dot and also the Echo Shows. I have a few Echo devices at home and I purchased the Echo Show 5 about a year back, and that's really cool, and we can get continuous slideshows on the news, what's new. When we're listening to music, we get the lyrics on screen if available, and of course the control of the smart devices without having to say a word. Yeah. We added these smart assistants to generally voice control our gadgets, but access via the touchscreen is a plus. And liking what we have on the Echo Show 5, I wanted a bigger screen. The Echo Show 10 costing upwards of 20k was a big no-no in my book, so I got myself the Echo Show 8 instead, and this is the Gen 1 model. In the box, we have some important information and a manual. This is the power adapter, it's 30 watts, and the Echo Show 5 has a 15 watt adapter. It connects via barrel plug. Now for the Echo Show 8. Oh, it's big. Look-wise, it's similar to the Echo Show 5, only that it's bigger. We have the disable assistant button, volume controls, and the camera slider on top. The slider here allows a quick method to disable the camera. And on the back, we have the power port, a micro USB port, not sure what's that for, and finally a 3.5mm jack, which is an audio out. The bottom has a rubber pad to keep the device in place when interacting with the screen. Let's plug it in and set it up. If you purchased it with your Amazon account, you have a choice of it being added to your account even before you open it. This makes it easy to set up. But if you are gifting it to someone, make sure to uncheck the option. Follow the on-screen instructions and in a few minutes it should be ready to use. The Echo Show has a screen resolution of 1280 by 800 pixels, same as that on the 10-inch Echo Show. But being a smaller screen, you will get more pixels per inch, making it more sharp. The device is designed to rest in an angle, which makes it easier to look at. And I love the fabric wrap all around the device. This should allow the sound to seep through easier from the speakers. This 1MP or 1 megapixel camera can be used for making calls via Amazon's drop-in feature and can be disabled using this physical slider here. If you want to disable Alexa's temporarily, you can disable it by tapping on this button here. When red, Alexa is not listening in, and volume adjustment is via these two buttons here. As with all Echo devices, they are controllable via voice. So you can ask Alexa to play music, read the news, or control your smart devices. Having a touchscreen, you can do the same but via touch. The home screen displays the clock and also the weather. Swipe down from the top and you have access to the home, settings, do not disturb option, alarms, brightness controls and notifications. The brightness can be controlled automatically using an ambient light sensor, but you can set the brightness manually if you so wish. Advanced settings allows changing the wallpaper, what you would like to see on the screen, etc. You can have your Facebook photos slideshow on the home screen with the clock overlaid on it, or if you want, you can use a single photo too from your phone. Right under that, you have the communication settings, music options, smart home options, videos and routines. So we can also make calls and announce via the device. And videos are mostly via Amazon Prime. No YouTube is available on the Echo Show directly. The screen is quite reflective. A matte screen would have been better here, but when we have something playing and is bright, the reflections don't bother much. The viewing angles are quite good too. The screen not shifting colors and staying sharp throughout. I am unhappy that we don't have a full screen clock option on the Echo Show 8, which I really liked on the Echo Show 5. Have to see if there are any skills available for the same, but this is a big downer. Smart home integration, this is one of the main reasons I pick up for Echo devices, as I already have my smart home devices set up and they sync easily with all my Echo devices. It works really well and you can see the smart home devices visually on screen. Select a device and control it without saying a word. Even though this is a big Echo Show, it doesn't have Zigbee built in, which is only available on the larger Echo, which is the Echo Show 10. The Echo Show 8 has a 1 megapixel camera, which is paltry compared to the 13 megapixel sensor on the Echo Show 8 Gen 2. But for simple calls, it should be more than enough. You can drop in from your Echo devices or other Echo Shows, or even via the Alexa app on a phone. And you can also use the Echo Show as a security camera if you want. Just enable the home monitoring setting, and now you can use the Alexa app to view the live feed via the Echo Show's camera. If you have an Alexa compatible camera, you can view the live feed of it on screen by just asking. Audio quality, it has a pair of 2-inch speakers and it can get really loud. Bass is also quite clear and does not distort in high volumes. If you like to tweak the sound, you can do so via the equalizer available in the settings. The speaker has a power output of around 10 watts. Small rooms fill up with sound quite easily, and the walls also reflect the sounds, making the speakers sound even louder. Amazon Music is the main source for music on the device, but you can also link your Gaana and Saavn accounts for more choice. Just make sure to save from Saavn or Gaana while requesting songs. You can also ask it to play children's songs from Choo Choo TV. We can view recipes on the device, and the display would list out the ingredients and also the steps to cook the dish selected. The Echo Show 8 also supports Bluetooth, so you can connect your phone to it and play any music via its speakers. Video playback is possible via Netflix and Amazon Prime Video. We don't have YouTube directly on the device, but it's playable via the built-in Amazon Silk browser. You can ask Alexa to directly open YouTube and play a video, or also open up a channel. Alexa, open YouTube. All device settings are available via the Alexa app, and it's easier to link to external services through it. But you don't need the Alexa app to set up your device, as it has a touchscreen. I found the Echo Show 8 to be the perfect size, not too big and also not too small. The screen is sharp and the sound is really great, and just the right size bigger than the Echo Show 5. The Gen 1 costs a few thousand rupees less than the Gen 2 model, and if you don't use the drop-in feature, which is the highlight on the Gen 2 model, as it has a 13 megapixel camera as opposed to a 1 megapixel camera on the Gen 1, then also the processor bump, but I'm happy with the specs on the Gen 1. I am surprised that the Echo Show 8 doesn't show a full screen clock, as the Echo Show 5 can, and this is a downer as I wanted a big bright clock which I can see from anywhere, but it just has a clock on the lower left or right with a selection of wallpapers. So do you have a smart display at home? Comment below. So that was the video. Make sure to like, subscribe and also hit the notification bell to be notified when new videos are added. Thank you for watching and see you all next time.